Good morning, everyone. We are MeGis and we are passionate.
Food and travel.
And today we are in the Milano metro, and we are going to the Central station because there Megumi finds something really interesting. What is?
That is the big food market.
So, as you know, we really like food, so we will discover. It seems there's a lot of stuff. So let's come with us and let's go.
Let's go.
MeGis tip. So, when you are traveling, or especially abroad, when you are not used to, it's always annoying changing the coin, buy the ticket, you get confused. So here you have three options. First is one-way ticket, which can use anytime. Also is a one-day trip, so you can use all around. And us, what we choose is a 3 days trip. This ticket allowed us to use the metro, the bus and the tram, because in Milano you still have trams. Some is really funny one. So that was our MeGis tip for today. So now we are going. So that is the map of the metro, and you can see you have zone 1, which is the white one, and you can use with this ticket for 3 days for only 12 euros. Here we are inside of the metro, and unfortunately we still have to wear the mask. That is a compulsory. But you see how much well decorated this metro, even here underground. But they bring alive with a lot of the 4 season metro, I can call it. You could see all the summer, you could see the sea, autumn, spring, everything. So it's really, really nice. All right. We finish our ride inside of the metro and we arrive here. Just you can see what is road, Megumi.
Il Mercato Centrale Milano.
All right, so she said here is the Mercato. So it seems inside is only food. So that is great. It's only food. Yeah. We will see if we find the sweet, salty. I don't know, but probably now it's time to try something. Definitely we came here to try something. So let's go.
Let's go.
Sì, è fatto così.
Due vetri,
Poi switch,
volentieri, non disdegno.
Penso, Faccio spazio io.
Perfetto. Ecco a lei.
Grazie. One is important in Italy is first you pay and then you get served. So because we love coffee and they make really yummy coffee, we just choose and go, let's catch our coffee. All right, we get our coffee and look, really nice coffee. And that is just €1.10. It's fantastic. And I feel better because coffee gives you energy.